Now with this 10% smart thermometer, this is really good for when you're cooking things like meat or fish on the gourmet grill, because it's going to tell you exactly how it's cooked and cooked to your liking as well. So all you need to do is take your thermometer, just poke that inside, make sure it's not poking out either end, and then you just sit that on top. I'm just going to grab my second steak as well, because they are going to both cook at the same time because they're the same thickness. So now that your steaks are on the gourmet grill, you've got your 10% smart tool in there. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you set that up. So on the gourmet grill here, you turn it on. Now one of those preset buttons that we discussed before is steak, so I'm going to select that one. Now just above the time button here, there's actually the temperature button here. So all you need to do is select that, and it's going to do an internal temperature of 55. Now if you wanted more than that, just say you don't like your steaks medium rare, you want them more of a medium or a well done, you can adjust that there, and what that's going to do is cook the inside temperature to be that one there. So once you're all set and you're happy to go, you just close the grill, level it off, and it's going to let you know when your steaks are cooked perfectly.